Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day. How's your morning going? What's going on with your land? What's going on with your life? How you doing? How you feeling? So going for my morning run. This weekend was super amazing. I had a chance to meet a lot of people at the Funnel Hacker live event that was happening in Orlando. Super awesome event. It was totally amazing. I learned so much from that event. I'll be sharing a little different experience here and there from videos that I make, share with you. But if you was at that event, I know you learned so many cool stuff to go back home and just work on. But one thing that actually I learned from Tony Robbins yesterday at that event, it was my first time got to hear him live or see him speak live. I'm gonna go to his event in Miami. Date with Destiny. It's pretty awesome speaker. A lot of the time going to that event, I kind of expand my mind. What I got the most, one of the most important things was the mental shift, expanding mentally. What's going on, Joseph? How you doing? So I was learning so many different tips and different tricks. Sometimes you can have all the mechanical down pack, but the mental is what's really holding. For the most part, it's always the first step. Even when you figure out the mechanic, usually the mental breakthroughs are the most powerful one you're gonna experience. What's up, Bobby? How you doing, bro? So one of the mental breakthrough that I had was the emotional state, your emotion state, how those emotions, they correlate between positive and negative. And if you can create the positive emotions in your life, if you can learn how to create them instantly, how they attract other positive emotion. For example, being grateful is one of the most powerful emotion. And I had that experience just a couple of days ago. Literally, I live in Florida, and during the event, there was something going on all the way across the world. There's a volcano that erupted, and it's like a lot of crazy news on the internet about it. And I started watching into the stuff, going into it, looking into it. And the more I look into that stuff, it creates more emotion of fear, anger, preparing for the worst. The worst thing can happen. And the more that I just couldn't sleep, it just keep bringing more. It just keep attracting more of this emotion. The thing, when you create those emotions of negative emotion, it just keeps attracting more of these. So as I'm sleeping there, I'm trying to sleep, get to the event the next day. That's like the first day of the event I'm going. I couldn't even fall asleep. Like, man, I need to be 100%. I need to be at that event. I need to be able to retain the information. And you know what? I started to be grateful. I started shifting the mind. Start thanking God for, the life that I had so far. And if it's the end of it, it is the end of it, right? It's not much I can control. So worry about the stuff that you can control. That's gonna bring you peace of mind, And the stuff that you can't control them. So I started to just be grateful for my life, be grateful for my family, be grateful for the time, be grateful for being able to drink some water or make this video. And guess what? It started bringing emotions of love, of compassion, and the good times in my life. And I started to fall asleep again. So being there and hearing those type of thoughts, that the way that your life grow, the cluster of emotion magnify positive or negative emotion. So you have the choices to think positively, even in the midst of the craziness. If you're trying to build something right now, it could be crazy. There's a lot of crazy stuff that might be happening in your life, but you can keep a positive mindset in the midst of it all. That's the only thing. If that's the only thing that you can control, sometimes you can control other factors, but if that's the only thing that you can control, keeping a positive mindset in the midst of it all will always bring other positive emotions that can help you carry through and get through that moment and get to the next level. So that was one of the giveaway. I got a chance to go on stage, get an award for having one of our businesses doing $1 million, which was pretty cool. Met a lot of great people. It was pretty amazing. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go for a run this morning. Just wanted to quickly make this video, you know, talk about being grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for everybody that I met. So thankful for my dad that's watching this video. So thankful for all my friends on Facebook, YouTube, wherever you're watching this. And just tell you, keep pushing, keep going for your dreams. You know, if God give you the vision, it's up to you to make it happen. You know, don't wait for a green light for somebody else. Or if you was waiting for a green light, well, let this video be it. You know, if you see it, you got the vision, go make it happen. Because it was trusted unto you. Nobody else will see it at that time, but you got the vision. No wonder why you're the only one who see it the way you see it. So anyway, appreciate you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna go for my full run. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. See you guys later. Bye.